it just makes sense to get everybody out and go on a vacation together. Well, I didn't mean all of us.
It's surprisingly just how affordable.
Groceries, a single point on everything else. Points you can use for over 1 million rewards.
A tornado warning has been issued for your area.
The annual fee for the first year is on us, and you can earn 10,000 bonus points with your first.
Stay ahead of the storm. The Weather Channel is always available at weather.com and through the Weather Channel mobile. Now, your local on the 8s.
A flood watch and a tornado watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 62 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. A tornado warning has been issued for your area.
Winds north at 10 to 20 miles per hour.
And on Sunday, cloudy with a few showers. High 68. Winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. And Sunday night, a few clouds from time to time. Slight chance of a rain shower. Low 50. Winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Monday, generally sunny. High 72. Winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Our week ahead.
Hey everybody, it's half past the hour. Welcome back into PM Edition Weekend. We hope you're enjoying your Saturday night. Tell you what though, coming up this half hour, we'll have all the latest radar as well as more on the sweltering heat and those continued BP oil updates.
But first we want to share with you
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for southern Barry County in southwest Michigan, northern Calhoun County in south central Michigan, southwestern Eaton County in south central Michigan, northern Kalamazoo County in southwest Michigan, northeastern Van Buren County in southwest Michigan, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles northeast of Papa and moving east at 60 miles per hour. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, Richland, Bellevue, Marshall, Kendall, Nobles, Oshtemo, Galesburg, Alamo, Augusta, Brookfield, Olivet, Converse Township, Lee Township, Ceresco, Bedford, Springfield. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying objects.
Laura. At Streeter into near Herscher and now south of Kankakee. Now most recently reported with this storm here, this rotating part of the storm,